Hello guys, my name is Ali. Today we're talking about Python. Python is so popular language in the world. So topic is what are variables? Variables are using in Django website, Kiwi apps. So let's get started with what are variables. So I'm write the code on Python. So let's get started. Variable is equal 10 print variable. So let's run it. We got 10 because we write here 10. Okay, so let me show you another example. Python language print x. So let's run it. We got Python language because we write here. Okay, let me show you another example. So we cut this one and then this one and 1.4. So let's run it. We got same number here. So let me show you another example. I'm write the name like Joy, and then y is equal Johan. So let me complete the code. So x plus y. Let me run it. Oh, we got John. Oh, and John, let me space it and run again. There we go, Johan. So let me show you another example. So just X and press enter, print y. So let's run again. There we go, Joy and Johan. Look, the Joy is up and Johan is down because look here, Joy is up here and Johan is down, and then we print it. It is look X Joy, Y Johan. So I'm see you next video. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.